In this video, we're going to fuel the truck, clean the truck, take the doggies for a walk, and then head out to our next pickup. On the way, we pass a surprising place, and we wonder why it is located here. So maybe you're going to be able to tell us that. And yeah, just have a little fun along the way. So join us. You're going to have to buckle up once we get going, but for now, no worries. Welcome to the joy of trucking. Let's go. Oh my goodness, am I ever glad we're not the ones paying for that. It just went up.
Wow! Good thing I got it when I did.
Just while you're standing here. Oh my God.
Might take 8 gallons.
Where's the price? Where's the price for the deaf?
Right there. A little loud, eh?
Yeah. Temperature dropped significantly today, from the mid-70s to the low 50s. you want, give me the dogs now, and I'll take them for a walk.
I'm gonna pull forward.
All right, there's no one behind you.
Going inside?
No, I'll take the dogs. With the short leashes, yes please, thank you.
Good girls. Very patient little dogs, eh? Very patient. Good job. Good job. You're gonna have wet feet out there.
Yep.
Girls. Thanks, honey.
Yep. All right, doggies, let's go. Wow. I want to point this out. They have one dog park for large dogs and another one for small dogs. Look, and they seem to know where they need to go. That's really nice of Loves. 30 pounds or less. That's you. It's nice to be able to let them off in the dog park so they can run around a little bit. That was a big wiping job because they were a little muddy and very wet and very dirty.
Oh, all curled up there.
All curled up there, yep. Anyway, so now we have how far to pick up our next load?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay, it's getting very late. We were not expecting this day to go quite the way it did. So we might have to skip the stop at Walmart for shopping, which is too bad because we have hardly any food left. It's really going to be down to the scraps. Anyway, we're off and turn the corner. Ooh.
Accelerate.
That's hilarious. That was hilarious. And then soccer right next door. What an insult.
They call that football in some places.
Tuscarawas.
Mercy Hospital is right across from the Football Hall of Fame. They specialize in concussions, torn knee joints.
Yeah. What came first, I wonder? Yeah, what is that? Some kind of big factory?
It's a refinery.
Is it?
Yeah, they're making gas and diesel. Right next to the town.
This brand new Freightliner and Western Star dealership going up. At least I think it's brand new. Looks new. There's no trucks yet. And Peterbilt right on the other side.
Smells like wet dog.
If you're enjoying the video so far, please be so kind, give it a thumbs up. That really helps with the algorithm and getting this video out to more people. And also, if you decide to drive for Crete, Hunt, or Schaefer and our videos have been helpful to you, please remember to give them our referral code, SLOKEV, SLOKEV. We would be very, very grateful. All right, now on with the video. Menards and Aldi.
Keep looking.
Are we going shopping after all? Huh?
There's a Walmart.
Behind us. That's the one we were going to go to? Look how big the Menards is.
There's a Tractor Supply store. Let's go past that.
Because we're going to the Tractor Supply
Distribution.
Center.
Somebody's got a real easy run between the DC and that store.
They might just walk it over.
They can use a wheelbarrow, yeah. But there was a sign as we came off that ramp that said intermodal terminal.
Ah.
So there's a big railway yard up here.
Yeah.
You take them off the trains and put them on trucks.
Yeah.
You can see it on the map.
Duty free? No.
No, it's not.
Not a duty free
It's not
one?
an inland port.
No.
It's an intermodal terminal. You gotta turn left. Hit that light.
See the Ohio and Erie Canal Trail on the right. Erie, this is Erie Road. What road are we looking for? Wilmington and Erie. There's the Tractor Supply store.
Very good.
Yes.
Not the one we're delivering.
No.
Street sign. There it is over there. Where Road. That's it.
Subway. Next to the dentist. Karina. Hey.
Hey.
And there's a Crete trailer. Aha.
Aha! One of our old customers.
There's another Crete trailer. What do you mean old customer? Like long standing?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nebraska. I think it was one of the first customers there.
Ah, yes. That's
I think
right.
I've been to that one too. I remember this street. It's kind of crazy how it goes through residential areas up there.
I think, I might have been here with you. Yes, indeed. There's a green trailer. And a tractor.
They're kind of the same place we are.
Yeah.
That's the Sterilite factory.
That's where we met the bison driver, wasn't it?
Here? Oh, yeah.
I think so.
You're right.
Yeah, because I remembered that funny little trailer restaurant, whatever that was, Buckeye Craft and Home Decor. Yeah, I've been here with you.
Yep, we picked up at that.
Here's the Sterilite.
Yeah.
Yep. But that's not where we're going, I thought.
See the other sign?
Oh, Tractor Supply. Okay, behind it.
Yep.
All right. Oh, happy memories. And looking at that Sterilite back there, no, I don't think that was where we met the bison driver, was it? I thought it had like two levels.
At that Purina place.
No. I thought it had two levels and an outhouse in between the stairs going up and down. Oh, but here's another. Maybe it's back here.
Main shipping. Familiar?
Yes.
We were there.
Yeah, this is where we met the bison driver.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, see, because it has the two levels, and there's stairs in the middle, and they had an outhouse right by those stairs, and we spent the night here.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right. Waiting to get loaded.
Oh my goodness. Okay, but now we're looking for the
Down the road.
Tractor Supply.
Now we're in the town of Navarre.
Okay.
Look at this, 77. North and south.
What's this here? Hendrickson Trailer Commercial Vehicle Systems. No, we haven't been here. Or I haven't. Have you?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I don't get Tractor Supply in this area. This is the
Truck entrance only. Oh, lots of Crete trailers. Look at the signs here. Tractor Supply, Navarre, Ohio. Yard speed limit 10 miles an hour. Live.
That's bobtail parking there if you want to stay overnight.
Live unload, LTL, empty drops, drop on. Look at these very official signs. I'm surprised they are allowed to copy signs like out on the highway. Those are all Crete trailers. Look at this. Wow.
We know where they are.
Oh, yeah. All the trailers are here in
Get them out
Navarre.
there on the road, buddy.
Wow.
We have to check.
I wonder if this is new-ish, you know? Thanks so much for joining us today at Love's in the dog park and making our way over here to the Tractor Supply DC. Come back in the next video. We'll take you inside and let you know how old this facility is. In the meantime, if you enjoyed today's video, please do give it a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We'll see you down the road. With love from Kevin and Tanja. Bye.